right, for something to smile about is a spin-off from the original Hungy Hippos game. Instead of pressing down a lever and having a plastic hippo stretch its neck out and eat toy balls in hopes for your hippo eats the most toy balls, you now become the hippo. So the goal is to gather as many balls onto your side of the playing area as possible. If you don't understand what I just said, you have a PhD. Because I didn't understand what I just said. Shana Tuna, you have a video to show it? We don't? So how am I going to pull her? I can't pull her. If I pull her, I'm going to pull her the other way.
Push and pull.
Huh? What you say?
Push and pull. Push her and pull.
Push her and pull her? Right. We are push. Come.
Wait, no one. It doesn't start.
Ready?
No, it doesn't ready.
This not feel good.
Huh?
You sure it's the right thing we are doing?
Yes, you're going to show me.
Then I should be a while ago. You said no. You ready to be shoved?
When Shauna says.
All right, there we go.
You know, I'm a big.
We are the power.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Animal, get it, go.
Boy, you don't move. Yes, Sim, you don't move. Sim. Move now. Ah, come push me, man. Stand up, man. No, I'm worse. You have me a losing game, Ayala. No one wants Christmas.
Wait, what? Come here, man. Pull from here, Nev. Come from here, sir. Go on. Go on. Pull. Come on, Nev. Chris, what are you?
Because you're not move. You're supposed to push yourself. Yes, see here.
Wait. Oh, I didn't realize. I thought you were supposed to show me single-handed.
But I am shoving you and you're not pulling.
So we have to read him then. Read him. Show back the ball then, Chris. Come, make up everything, never been. I didn't know that. I thought...
You have a ball in there.
You have one ball still, you know. Wait, no. Lift up that.
For 1 second, I
you win because she don't have nothing.
No,
lift up yours.
It's how many they get to their side.
She don't have nothing.
Here's the thing.
No, Sim, man. You let me down, Sim. Big and serious. You let me down because I have it under control and you're not working with your husband.
Yeah, but if you're pushing me, do I need to do work as well?
Yeah.
Like for 1 second, I can't just clutch and you do all the work?
No.
Land there. I like you, know. Never. You say you want my help in pulling?
Yeah. No, you want, all right. Take up before. Move, make I show you what it is.
You want me to show you?
Yeah, because I'm going to be swimming also.
Okay.
Take up that, no?
This is going to end really well.
Oh, you want bet?
Lord Jesus, be a bridge. Say yeah.
Come, Sama. Let's go.
Okay,
I'm
ready?
going to show you how to deal with this thing, you know.
But you never think you're too close.
You don't worry about that.
Catch up your foot.
Catch up my foot?
You see how easy that was?
Yeah.
You see how I pulled you and you actually moved?
But you were supposed to go the other way, another way, the way I go.
Okay, good point.
Me just understand saying understand the game.
All right. So
ready?
You're going to shoot yourself too?
Yes. You ready?
Don't cross-medize me.
You ready?
No. Wait.
We think we agree with that.
Ready? Let's go.
Teacher. I'll pull me back now. And push me forward again.
I can't do this game.